our very first vacation since moving to Portland, Oregon. The itinerary for the day is to check out Haystack Rock, Cannon Beach, and then check into our hotel in Seaside. We made it to Cannon Beach. We're in the city center at a parking lot. The van is filthy after the drive here. Look at these icicles. Going to check out this cute coffee shop over here. Watched all of these videos about how the waves can just come in super fast and very high, so I'm very paranoid to get too close. There was just a bunch of water right here and now it's receded that far, so that's how fast it comes and goes. We're walking backwards away from the beach so that we don't have our eyes off of it. Alex just remembered what the name of the waves are called when they come in super fast, and they're called sneaker waves. They sneak up on you. If you ever find yourself in Cannon Beach, Oregon, a great place to park is this parking lot on the corner of Hemlock and Coolidge. And right in the parking lot is a cute coffee shop called the Sleepy Monk. And then you are about a half-mile walk up to the beach that way where Haystack Rock is located. We are back in the van and heading to our hotel. We are at the hotel a little early, but we're gonna see if we can check in soon. It's like 2 o'clock. Check-in isn't until 4, so let's see if we can get in. I love the little touch with the lighthouses. So cute. So we are staying at the High Tide Oceanfront. Cute. That's neat.
Do you have a couple?
Yeah.
Okay.
So good news, we were able to get our key earlier than actual check-in, and they even rent out board games. So we got Candyland and Domino's. We made it into our room. It's kind of old school, like definitely from the 70s. Overlooks the beach as well as the prom, which is a 1.5 mile long walkway. We're enjoying the sun because it's been a while since moving to Oregon that we've seen the sun. This is magical. I have done a little nesting. I've put some things away so I'm more comfortable for the 2-day stay here. I hung up some of my shirts that I plan on wearing, and there was a nice command hook for my purse. My toiletries are next to the sink. Shoes by the entrance. And then I put away a few waters and some soda. These have been my favorite chips as of late. My retainer is ready by the bedside for this nighttime. And Alex is enjoying the wonderful view. 3. 1, 2, 3. Take 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So our verdict on the bed is it is firm and it is firm and it's cozy.